In this video, we are going to learn how to make a payment voucher as well as a receipt voucher. First of all, talking about a payment voucher, we paid rupees 1 lakh to Amit in full settlement for the purchase of 300 lamps in transaction 1. Okay, this purchase that I made from Amit, now I will be making a payment to Amit. But for that, I need to check how much do I owe to Amit? How much am I supposed to pay to Amit? In that case, on the home screen gateway of Tele, I go to display more reports. Under display more reports, I go to statement of accounts. I go to outstanding. Since this is my payable, I'll check payable. And over here, I can see I have to pay Mr. Amit 1,34,400 rupees. Okay. Now that I know I have to pay 1,34,400 rupees, I'll check how much did I actually pay. I paid only 1 lakh rupees. That means I received a discount of 34,400 rupees. Hence, I'll start passing a voucher for this voucher. What kind of voucher this is going to be? This is going to be a payment voucher since I'm making a payment. So I'll select a payment voucher over here. The payment is going to be made to Amit. So Amit, how much am I paying to Amit over here? I paid rupees 1 lakh to Amit. Okay. I paid rupees 1 lakh to Amit, and the account settlement I'm going to do by 1,34,400. As soon as I click enter, this screen will appear. I will select against reference of 1st April 2022, 1,34,400. I press enter. All right. So I'm going to pay 1,34,400 to Amit from where? The question says all these payments are to be made from State Bank of India. So I'll select State Bank of India. But State Bank of India, I'm only paying 1 lakh rupees. Please check again in the question. I'm only paying rupees 1 lakh. That means the rest of it is a discount allowed. So over here, I need a discount allowed ledger. I'll create a ledger called discount received. I received a discount, right? Not allowed. By mistake, I said we will be receiving a discount. Since I'm making a payment, I'm going to getting a discount. This discount is an indirect income for me. Indirect income for me. Okay. So I accept it. Please edit it. The discount is on goods. I have to just check the ledger that I've just created. Discount received. Yeah, this is on goods, not services. Goods. Okay. Accept. Once you accept it, then over here you can see the discount received is 34,400. Okay. This is my journal entry for a payment. Amit, I made a payment of 1,34,400. 1 lakh I paid from State Bank of India. 34,400 I have received a discount. Okay. This is my entry. And to check whether that has been done, I'll go to daybook. In daybook, I can see Amit payment 1,34,400. I have made a payment. All right. Then I'll also check in my outstanding, display more reports, statement of accounts, outstanding payables. You can clearly see 1,34,400 that was initially due to Amit is no longer due. Okay. This is how we prepare pass a payment voucher entry. But in this question, we also have a receipt voucher entry received from Rahul rupees 90,000 for the full settlement of transaction number 2. So just for this bulb that I sold to Rahul, 350 bulbs, I am going to receive a payment. Let us see how much payment you are supposed to receive. Display more report, statement of account, outstanding, receivable. So it is saying from Rahul, I am going to receive 1,05,840 rupees. Okay. But the question is saying I am only receiving 90,000 rupees. So that means the rest of the difference, 15,840 rupees, I am allowing a discount. Okay. I'm allowing the rest of the amount I'm going to be allowing as a discount, 15,840. So to pass this receipt voucher entry, now let's again go to the home screen. Home screen, we go to vouchers. Vouchers, may we go to receipt voucher. Receipt voucher, who am I receiving the money from? I'm receiving the money from Rahul. And I am going to settle Rahul account of 1,05,840. 840 against the reference number, this 1,05,840. Okay, and I'm going to receive this money in State Bank, but not entirely 1,05,840. I'm only receiving 90,000 rupees. So the rest of the amount, 15,840, this is going to be what? This is going to be a discount allowed. I have done an expenditure, I have allowed a discount. So I'm going to go create. I'm going to create another ledger, that is discount allowed. Over here, it is my indirect expense, not applicable. Type of supply, goods, accept. Okay, so the entry will be Rahul, State Bank of India discount allowed limited to Rahul. Okay, please see, two is here and buy are here. So these are two and buy items. If we want to see the debit and the like credit nomenclature, then you can click over here, and over here you can even change the mode. Okay, mode, double entry, single entry, and you can see if this is your the sales, the sale that you did to Rahul. This is the receipt entry for that particular sale. Now we are going to go and check in our now we are going to go and check our receivables in the statement of accounts. We can see in the receivables, I no longer have the 1,05,840 payment that I was going to receive. Okay, where is that payment going to be shown? Over here, you just go to your day book. In the day book, you can see I received 1,05,840 rupees. Okay, so this is how we pass the voucher entries for a receipt or payment.